Hi, Lori here from Lori's World with a 3-ingredient homemade chocolate ice cream. Now I'm going to be adding a fourth ingredient, but it's because I'm adding chocolate chips because chocolate ice cream only is better with chocolate chips in my opinion. So it's a 3-ingredient with an add-on homemade soft serve chocolate ice cream. So if you want, sit back and let me do the cooking for you. All right, for your ice cream, you're going to need heavy whipping cream, unsweetened cocoa powder, not the kind for chocolate milk, but cocoa powder, and a 14-ounce can, a small one like this, of sweetened condensed milk. Now, I've got some chocolate chips because those are add-on, those are extra. You could do bananas, blueberries, whatever you want, strawberries. You're going to need a bowl and saran wrap, and of course 2 bowls and your measuring, and you're going to need your hand mixer right here. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pour 2 cups of heavy cream into this bowl, and I'm going to mix it on medium until I get stiff peaks. So let me show you how that goes. All right, I poured my 2 cups of heavy cream, and you're just going to beat it until you get stiff peaks. So when I get stiff peaks, I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, you see how you want to get soft peaks. So it looks like Cool Whip. Alright? So, what you're going to do next is you're going to put your condensed milk into another bowl. You're going to open your cocoa powder. And you're going to put, let me do it over this. Some's already leaked in, so it's not going to be perfect. A half a cup of your cocoa powder in with your condensed milk. At this point, you don't use your mixer. You just do this. And you're going to mix this all together until the chocolate's incorporated into that condensed milk. Nice and smooth, no powder at all. So I'll be back to show you what it looks like when I'm done mixing it. It's going to look like cake mix. That's what you want. All right. At this point, you've got your peaks. You've got your peaks from your heavy cream and your condensed milk. You are going to pour all of this into that. So when I get that done, I'll show you what it'll look like. I added it in, and now what you're going to do is you're going to mix this gently because you do not want to flatten those peaks from that you whipped up with your cream. You just want to get it all mixed in till it's got the chocolate appearance. No more white. And you're going to softly fold it because you don't want to beat it up in there and mix it. Just gentle. So when I get this all done, I will show you what it'll look like. At this point, this is what it'll look like. And this is where you would gently fold in your fruit, bananas, but I'm doing chocolate chips. We're going to make some chocolate. Put in as little or as much as you want, and I quite didn't want that much. It kind of came out hard and fast. Things that you never want to happen, especially in cooking. All right, you're just going to gently fold these in. Now you could also wait and put them on the top part, but you're going to continually just keep folding this in until it's throughout the ice cream. Do you think you need a little bit more? Think we need a little bit more? No? Okay. All right, at this point is where your bowl and your saran wrap's going to come in to play. You're going to pour this in this bowl. You're going to cover it with saran wrap and then the lid. And it's going to go in the freezer for 4 to 6 hours. So let me get this in the bowl and I'll show you the next step. All right, you're going to put it in the saran wrap. And then make sure you seal it tight. And put it in the freezer for 4 to 6 hours. So when it's done, I will show you what your ice cream's going to look like. All right. It's been 5 hours. We've pulled it out of the freezer. Are you ready for this? All right, let's go. I'll let you open it. Let you have first bite.
Oh, it's supposed to be soft.
It is soft. It's a soft serve. Just instead of complaining, why don't you just... Oh, I guess it was soft. Look at this, guys. This is after 6 hours.
Tastes like chocolate pudding.
Well, it's ice cream.
It's pretty good.
And we didn't have to pay $6 a gallon. I bought everything for about $3. So, all right, guys. There you go. Your 3-ingredient chocolate soft serve ice cream. For this recipe and more, hope to see you at Lori's World. Have a blessed day. You just ain't going to stop eating it, are you?
Nope.